Task from Open Quant about 3 rings. So you are shooting arrows at a target with 3 rings, circle 4-inch radius, here it is, ring around it with the 8-inch radius, here it is, and ring around that with the 12-inch radius, this one. Each arrow hits the target somewhere uniformly at random, so the probabilities are equal. What's the probability that you land exactly 1 arrow in each of the 3 rings? So the total area is, I use R as units, so the total area is 9 pi r squared. S1 is obviously pi r squared. S2 is 4 pi r squared minus 1, which brings us 3 pi r squared, and so the S3 will be in similar way 5 pi r squared. And the probability of landing is in 1 is the total probability is so total probability is 9. Probability is in landing in 1 is pi r squared divided by 9 pi r squared by total probability. 1 over 9. Similarly, P2 probability at landing here is 3 pi r squared divided by 9 pi r squared. It is 3 over 9. I will not reduce it. And the probability at landing at 3 is 5 over 9. And so then how do we land? We can start with first at the first circle, then at second, then at third. Or we can mix these numbers together. The number of times we mix them is 3 factorial, which is 6. So let's check what we get. So first we got first ring, second ring, and third is third ring. There are probabilities. We multiply them because they are independent events. And we, if we start with 3 to 1, it's the same probabilities but in the other order. So to calculate the total number, we multiply this 1 over 9, 3 over 9, and 5 over 9 by 6. This is what I did here, and I got 10 over 81, and this is the right answer. So if you have questions, feel free to write me.